Alrighty, bidders and buyers, I would like to give a demonstration on this product. What it is a sound screen. It makes white noise. The company that produces it is Marpac Corporation. They're a company that is based out of the United States. This is made in the United States. It's a very great product. They specialize in making these white noise makers, and as you can see, the model number down there, it's 980A. And anyhow, what it's used for is white noise. Helps reduce any outside sounds that are coming into the room. So if you have a baby sleeping, or if you are trying to sleep because you have work, you know, this is going to help you. I had a graveyard shift for about 3 months, and I had to sleep during the day. I live above a storefront on a busy street, and I could hear cars drive by, motorcycles drive by, and people talking outside and wake me up. So I bought this, and it helped me sleep. So it does what it's advertised to do. I wanted to point out there is a few scuffs here, right here, and here, and that's it on this unit. There's nothing on the other side or anywhere else. So just want to point that out. I'll give you a quick demonstration on how it works. This thing turns to change the pitch, so you can turn it, as you see. Gloves are a little slippery, so it's harder for me to turn it. However, I want to give you a quick demonstration on what it sounds like. So you have settings here. The low setting, you have the off position, and you have the high setting. So I'll start off with the low. And to the high. And what that does is it just cuts out all the noise you're going to hear outside, people maybe in the other room talking, stuff like that. It also provides privacy for the person in the room, so it's kind of like you have a fan in a bathroom to dilute the sound. Same thing, except for this is white noise, which is very good to help people sleep and provide privacy. So, thank you for watching. Hope you get it, and good luck on your bidding. Thank you.